In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a template in Wrike. We'll walk through the full process of turning an existing project or folder into a reusable template so you don't have to rebuild the same structure every time. This is especially helpful if your team runs similar campaigns or projects on a regular basis. First, make sure you're logged into Wrike and then navigate to your workspace. From there, go to your marketing team space or whichever space contains the project or folder you want to turn into a template. You should be looking at the main view for that folder or project, such as the table or list view. This is where all the tasks, dates, and details you've already set up are visible. Next, look toward the top area of the screen for the section that's highlighted in this guide. This is typically near the project or folder name, where Wrike shows the main options and actions. Click on the highlighted menu or icon. This will open a small drop-down or menu with additional actions you can take on this project or folder. In that menu, find and click on the option labeled Save as Template. Selecting this tells Wrike that you want to store the current structure for future use. This includes things like tasks, subfolders, and basic setup, so you can quickly create new projects based on this layout. A window will appear asking you to fill in some details. In the first highlighted field, type in a clear, descriptive name for your template. Choose something your team will instantly recognize, like the type of campaign or project this template represents. Then, in the next highlighted field, add a short description. Use this space to explain when and how this template should be used, or call out anything important your team should know before they start using it. A good description helps keep everyone on the same page. Once you've filled in the name and description, click on Save Template. Wrike will now create and store your template based on the project or folder you are viewing. After it's saved, you'll see an option to View Template. Click on this to open the template in Wrike's Template or Solutions area. This is a good moment to double-check that everything looks correct: tasks, sections, and any default settings. Finally, click on the highlighted element shown in the template view to access or use your new template from the Solutions gallery. From here, you'll be able to launch new projects based on this template whenever you need.